Hi kiddos, we are back with Benny and Bhavi stories. This is Christmas special episode number 1. That was a beautiful morning. Benny and Bhavi got ready to go school. They were wearing special costumes for their annual day competition. These are beautiful costumes, right kiddos? Yes, we love it too. Beep beep. Oh my god, our school bus has already arrived. Mommy, it's time for us to leave. Bye bye, Mommy. Bye bye, little brother Ben. Okay, kids, bye bye. Have a great day. Have great fun. Let's see how the kids enter the school bus. Kids, whenever you are entering school vehicles or any vehicles, you need to be very careful. Ensure you are having an adult by your side. This is how Bhavi entered the school bus. And now we have Benny to enter school bus. Bye bye kiddos. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, all through the town. Now we have Mommy and little Ben left alone at home. Since it's Christmas season, Mommy and little Ben thought to begin the Christmas decoration. Yay! Let's begin our drawings. We will start this beautiful Christmas tree. Few triangles which are congruent make such kind of lines. This is the outline of the tree. I'm adding few invisible lines inside the tree. Yeah, the stem has come out really nice. I'm using a glitter pen to add the peripheral area of the tree. Now I'm adding it inside the tree. This is cool, right? Now we can go for a glitter pen for the stem. I'm gonna add crayons. Crayon coloring is pretty easy compared to any pencil colors. Let's add the shade. We're almost done. Now I'm adding few gifts. You can add few cuboids there. You can even add any shaped presents. For Christmas, presents are really important, right kids? Yes. I'm gonna add few more glitters. This has come out really nice. We can add different colors. Yes. We're done with drawing our gifts. Let's do the coloring. Who hates glittering things? Anything that sparkles steals our hearts, right? This looks so cool with those sparkles. We are done with doing our gifts. Now we are drawing our fireplace, a rectangle, and an encapsulation with decoration. Few stalks or stockings. We can add the colors. Red goes well. For fire, I'm adding glitters, orange and yellow color. This has come out nice, right? I really love this brick arrangement. When I was a kid, I always used to adore the arrangement of bricks which they make to construct any building. This is so satisfying. I'll do the outline. Now a little pillar. We can color it, do the extra shades of red. This is almost done. We can color the pillar. It's again done. I'm adding little clothes for curtain, and these are the shades which I'm adding for windows. Yes, it's done. Everything should be in red. That's the beauty of Christmas, right? Red and white combination, it's so good. We really love this color combination of red and white, especially during this Christmas season. The tail end of the year marks this beautiful Christmas. Yes, it's done. I'm adding a bit of highlighting. Now we can draw Benny's mom, Randy, and Ben has a cute round face, isn't it? Mom is waving a hi. Hi, Randy. They look so happy since they are decorating the house for the Christmas festival. Let's add the colors. Skin color for Mommy Randy's face and Ben's face. We can color the costumes as well. Red goes well because this is Christmas costume. Haha. I'm adding glitter to the dress. It's so gorgeous. It's time to draw our cute chubby snowman. His cute chubby tummy, hat, his carrot nose, and the cute scarf. With that hat, we're done. I'm now drawing the Christmas wreath. We can add colorful flowers, red and white flowers I'm adding with lot of leaves. This makes a beautiful Christmas wreath. Let's add a bit of shadow to it so that it gives a 3D effect. Now we can decorate the Christmas tree. Yeah, I'm using some stickers. I'm not adding a lot of decorations here. Benny and Bhavi might have other plans. It's their favorite part to decorate the Christmas tree, so I'll make it light. Let's draw the Christmas candles, a stand to go with it. I'm adding a shade of red. Now we can finish the drawing with the door. We have a reindeer. Let's draw the reindeer. Let's color it with a red nose. It's really cute, right? It's also wearing a Christmas hat. Let's make it more expressive. Let's finish the outline. We can add more decorations to the house. I'm using different colors for the lightings, a shade of pink for the wall. That's it, we're done. We have Benny and Bhavi coming back to house. Wow, we really love the decoration, it's so cool. But the Christmas tree, it's not enough. It's our responsibility to finish the decoration, right, Mommy? Yes, indeed. Benny and Bhavi continued the decoration of Christmas tree. They added a lot of glittering stars, moons, of course not the real moon, it's moon sticker, star sticker, random designs and pearls to make it glittering, shining. Now the Christmas tree has come out really nice. Now I'm adding a little bit of more lightings to the door. With that, we are done with this. Let's see the full completed look. Reindeer showed up already. We know who's yet to come.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hope you kiddos like these drawings. Christmas special episodes are still more to go. Please subscribe, like, comment and share and stay tuned with me. It's bye from Benny and Bhavi.